Good morning, students, all of you. Let us start with our English class. So, all of you are ready? So, yesterday in our offline class, what we did? We learned about some of the animal sounds, right? And today I am going to continue with some more sounds. You want to learn some more sounds of animals? Right? Then after we will sing the song with lots of farm animals, not only duck but lots of farm animals. Okay, so let us first write down. So today I am writing on the board, and you just copy it down in your copy, because these will be included in your term 2 assessment. Okay, so please note it down in your copy, learn it properly so that you can answer your questions very nicely. Okay, come on, let's start. So our topic is we are going to make a table over here as we did it yesterday. On one side we are going to write animals, and on the other side we are going to write the sounds of those animals. Okay, so now first one which I am going to write down, and all of you, very good Inakshi, very good. So we are going to write down the first name of the animal, and you will be telling me the sound, particular sound. Then after we will write the sounds also. Okay, so today I will not announce the name, I will just check whether you have written the correct answer or not. Okay, so the first animal is, we heard the sound of animal in our previous class, and it was the particular sound of that animal, but what the sound is called? What the sound is called? Yes, anyone? The sound is known as lion roars. Lion roars. Okay, so the sound of lion is known as roaring. Yes. Okay, so lion roars. Right? Now let's go for next one, and it is elephant. And elephant, what do elephant do? Very good Inakshi. And what do elephant do? Elephant sound is known as, that also we heard in our previous class, and it was trumpet. Yes, Orgo is writing. Yes, Orgo, lion roar. And what do elephant do? Swam. Today I am going to call Swam Prabhu as Swam. Okay, so Swam and rest of the students, let us see who is going to answer. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, here is. Come on, Ritika, Inakshi, Drupad, Ankita, Afrin, Ayan, Shatoki, Chugato, Tamojit, Trishita. Let's start. Yes, I am receiving lots of answers. So here comes the exact word, that is elephant trumpet. Elephant trumpet. Okay, the sound of elephant is known as trumpet. Now let's go for donkey. And donkey, what do donkey do? Donkey bray. The sound of donkey is known as bray. Okay, so donkey bray. Now let us go for monkey. Monkey, sound of monkey, monkey chatter. We heard the sound of monkey last day in our last class, and monkeys chatter. So let us write down chatter. Monkey, gorilla, all the chatter. Okay, so chatter, monkey chatter. Yes, very good, very good. Now let's go for next one, and that is, I hope you can see the boat. Let us see till which part you can see it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. So now here comes owl. And what is the sound of owl called? Owl hoot. Owl hoot. So let us learn hoot. Owl hoot. Now the next one. Let us write down the next one, and that is bee. Bee, housefly, wasps, what do? They mosquitoes buzz. Buzz. Okay, buzz. So bee buzz. Bee buzz. Okay, now let us go for the next one. Yes, it's HOOT, hoot. Okay, okay. Now here comes buzz. So students, I hope lion roars, elephant trumpet, donkey bray, monkey chatter, owl hoot, bee buzz, lion roars, elephant trumpet, donkey bray, monkey chatter, owl hoot, bee buzz. Okay, bee buzz. Now let us go for next one. I am just rubbing the upper part. I hope you have written first three: lion, elephant and donkey. Everyone has completed the first three part? Yes. Very good, Nandini. Very good, Argho. So let us rub these three and write down the next part. Come on. Here comes the next part, and now it is snake. The sound of snake. Actually, snake doesn't make any sound, but when it brings out the tongue, one very mute vibration comes out. Okay, that is known as hiss. Yes. So snake hiss. Snake hiss. Next comes rooster. In our picture also, where the McDonald is having his farm, we can see a picture of rooster. Rooster's another similar name is cock. And what do cock do? Cuckoo, right? That cuckoo is known as what? Cuckoo. Yes. So it's cuckoo. So roosters, cuckoo. Drupad, what is going on? Drupad, what is going on over here? Don't do any type of mischief, beta. Nothing should be sent like this. If you want to give the answer, you can give it. Otherwise, don't do it. Next is frog. And frog, what is the sound of frog? It makes a little bit different sound, and it is croak. The sound is known as croak. So this was the previous one and this is the new 3. Okay, this is the previous one. आगे लिखा होयेछिलो. These are the new 3. Snake, hish, rooster, cuckoo, and frog, croak. So these are the different sounds which we find for the animals in our English language. Okay, we did the activity class of different sounds, original sounds we heard of animals, and what those sounds are known as is written over here. So I hope everyone has completed. I can see Shamrik Roy Chaudhary has sent his card. Very good, Shushoban. Shushoban, please send the image. Very good. Last one is missing, beta. Write down frog, Shomrik. Write down frog. And you have improved your handwriting a lot. Very good. Little bit more practice. Okay, then it will be perfect. It's now good. And if you want it to be perfect, then more practice. Because here A, where in table you have written A, it has touched the lower red line. So it should not touch the lower red line. So little bit more practice and you are going to be the perfect one. Very good improvement in your handwriting. Next comes Nandini. Very good, Nandini. Where are the previous part? Let's see, where is Nandini's previous part? Okay, here I can see many has sent me. So one by one I will check it. Shomrik's done. Orgho. Very good, Orgho. Keep it up. Very good. D has become cursive, beta. If you are writing capital, then use the capital one. If you are writing cursive, then do write the cursive one. Just follow any one pattern, okay? Excellent. Next is Tomojit. Image is not clear, ma'am. So I would request you to send the clear image so that I can check it properly. I would request Tomojit's guardian to please send a clear image so that I can check it properly. Trishita also, image is not so clear. একটু বইটার ওপরে রেখে ক্যামেরাটাকে ছবি তুললে একটু ভালো ছবিটা ওঠে. That would help us to check the matter clearly. Thank you. Trishita's guardian also. Nandini, okay. Very good, Nandini. Very clear picture. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Next, here comes our Ayan Mukherjee. Okay, Ayan. And then after, very good, Ayan. Excellent. Next comes Afreen. Outstanding handwriting, beta. But Afreen, monkey chatters, C-H-A-T-T-E-R, beta. A is missing in your chatter. Rest of the part is fine. Chatter spelling, please rectify, Afreen. Very good. Excellent. Excellent, Inakshi. Very good handwriting. Very good, Shomrik. Inakshi's rest of the part has been sent over here. Okay, very good, Inakshi. Very good. I got the rest, remaining part. Now comes Ritika. Ritika, rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R beta, rooster. And trumpet, T capital, roar, R capital. Okay. Some of the part you have written capital, some in small. So let it be, if you are writing the first letter capital, then let all the first letters be capital. If you are writing the first letter small, then let all the first letters be small. Okay. While writing the sounds. And rooster spelling, beta please, even the snake spelling, I think. Yes. Snake spelling you have to rectify. Rooster spelling you have to rectify. Ritika Shamonto, please rectify it, beta. Next comes Shushobhan. Very good, Shushobhan. Excellent. Shattoki, very good, beta. I can see. Okay, Shugato, outstanding handwriting. Outstanding, but Shugato, I would tell you to write in 4-line copy. I would request Shugato's parents to give him a 4-line copy for English. Very good, Afrin. Trishita, very good. Tomojit, excellent, beta. Excellent. Little more practice on handwriting. It has improved a lot. Little more practice. No problem, Afrin. Do it later on. Okay. Thank you all of you. I will be back again with your science class later on. Thank you. Bye bye, students.